This is an aux mini-split air conditioner showing an F1 error. The unit is currently open, and when we performed further work to check the error, we also inspected and worked on its outdoor unit. After completing the work, we turned the unit on and it displayed 16 degrees. However, after a short while, the F1 error appeared again. We will explain the rest of the process further in the video. Right now, you can see that I have set up everything and made it ready. Here is the indoor PCB and the outdoor PCB, both connected together. Now, we will turn it on and check if the F1 error appears or not. I have turned it on, and in 2 to 3 minutes, the error will show up. Look, the F1 error is now displayed. The F1 error means that there is a fault in the outdoor PCB. Next, we will explain what F1 means in the outdoor unit and the reasons behind this error. Now that you can see the F1 error, it means that there is a fault in the outdoor PCB and specifically in the IPM. Here, you can see the IPM installed. The IPM is responsible for driving the compressor, and this entire area is involved in driving the compressor. So, when the IPM is faulty, you will see the F1 error on the unit's display. However, it's not only the IPM that could be faulty. Other components in this area might also be the cause. Additionally, even if the IPM is working, there could be a short circuit in the microcontroller. If there's a faulty component between the IPM and microcontroller, the unit will still show the F1 error. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos, and subscribe. Thank you.